And from healing and protection to marriages and good harvest, in ancient times, shamans were in charge of almost all aspects of life. In Russia's Far East, they are still very important to native people, but there are only a few left. Our Sean Thomas went to see how they adapt to modern times and keep old traditions alive.
From the ceremonial rhythm of the drum to ancient rituals and traditions, the belief in the power of the shaman is very much a part of the Yakutian way of life.
Our ancestors always had very powerful shaman around. The latter protected them, gave them blessings, and ensured security and safety in all circumstances, in everyday life, at a hunt, on a journey, and at war.
A shaman is someone who acts as an intermediary between the spiritual and earthly worlds, relying heavily on nature to get his message across. When Russian Orthodox Christianity moved eastward and then later with the Soviet Union, shamanism was banned. Those that practiced the faith were persecuted. Now there are only 3 recognized shaman living in all of Yakutia.
I help people find faith in the fact that their wishes will be fulfilled, their family relations and conflicts at work will be fixed. When a person has this faith, he can do anything. I live in a time of crisis, and my mission is to help people in this troublesome time. Every shaman has his own mission.
2 hitching posts with the ancient symbols of the shaman adorning them, standing right next to power lines from the modern world. This contrast between the modern technology and ancient mysticism is a problem for the shaman.
Real shamans live far away from big cities in small villages, because contemporary cities with computers, cars, cell phones, and the constant rush distract from the true unity with nature and the spirits. I myself am from a far northern region, Zhigansky Ulus.
Trying to make the best of it all, life is a delicate balancing act for the Yakutian people.
We are an interesting people. When we're in trouble, we do 3 different things at the same time. We turn to a shaman, we pray in a church, and we make use of modern medicine.
A unique way of keeping a tradition that has been part of Yakutia for centuries.
May the sun protect what it created. The spiral in the middle is a symbol of fire. May the warmth of the fire in your name protect you, and may your 3 spirits be united. The spirit of the womb, the spirit of air, and the spirit of the earth.
In Yakutia, Sean Thomas, RT.
And check out our website for